Thank you, 50 Plus Tribe, for connecting with us again on this blog. We welcome you back. I am Jennifer Gibbons Joseph, and with me is my colleague
Terri-Ann Joseph Brackett. We're so happy to be here again to continue our discussion, connecting with you to make sure that life in the 50 plus era, that third act, is exciting, fulfilling, and all that we want it to be.
Alright, so if you followed our first series, you would know what we are focusing on is the issues that people 50 plus are very concerned with. Issues like their health, finances, loneliness, and just how we're going to survive at this stage, what's going to be happening in the future.
Because we know we're living longer, we're more healthy.
Yes.
Well, we've taken care of our bodies, so we're living longer. There are challenges that will come with that. And in the first blog, we talked about the money part of it, how we have our business packages to help you develop your businesses and supplement that income. And in this blog, we're going to be looking more at our workshops. And here, my friend Jennifer's coaching expertise really comes to the fore.
So our workshops are not stiff workshops. We call it workshops because we want you to come together, chat, socialize, and really share experiences and learn how can you deal or how do you cope with your situations. So our workshops are specialized workshops. We focus on the areas that we believe would help you really transition and live that happy life. Now the workshops are, we may have about 20 persons in the workshop, and it is very interactive. We set a nice, beautiful atmosphere. We want you to be relaxed. We want you to be happy. We don't want you to feel like you back at your workplace being trained. It is not training. Also, for those who may feel, you know what, I don't want to be in a workshop with so many people. I am alright. I just need to find out, certain issues, Terri-Ann. What you would say to people like that?
The thing about it is that our workshops, we have two types. There's small workshops which are very, very intimate. We may have 10 is a big workshop.
Yes.
And if Jennifer and I are facilitating, we may have a co-facilitator who is a professional who understands the topic that's involved. And because we 50 plus people, both men and women, know what we're about, it's a safe place. We create a very safe environment where everyone is willing to share, to talk about the issues that are affecting us.
And let me tell you, Terri-Ann, let me tell you, audience, the 50 plus tribe that's listening, our forums, those small group intimate forums, it's gender specific. So if just women want to come together and discuss their certain issues that only women will understand, yes, we have them together. If you just want to socialize, to chat, to just have fun, and not vet like we say in Trinidad, but just have fun, we create that type of atmosphere for you to come out and have fun. In our clips, you'll see how much fun people do have.
Yes.
And men, you are not left out. We also have those forums for men to come together.
And the men's forums have been quite interesting because, I will talk about our mixed forum, the last mixed forum, where men and women find a level where they can share and they can talk about issues affecting them and their lives post-work in a really easy way, without all the normal tensions that may accompany it in the workplace. We can talk about some of the topics that we have discussed.
Sure, and at that forum, which was slightly different, and what we have found is when people come to the forums, first of all, they're not sure what to expect because this is new. This is a whole new concept. And when they come, they have so much fun because they realize they can speak openly.
Yes.
It's people of like minds. So, you understand the stage you are at. And especially if we do have other facilitators in specialty areas, that they can really give some great insights as to what it is all about.
And the thing is, we're in a stage of discovery. Not many people today are exploring what's life for the 50 plus.
Yes.
There are many we've got at least 20 vibrant years ahead, and many of the workshops that are available are really geared to having people start careers, get by and go through careers, and we've been there, we've done that. Here, because we are really exploring new areas, there's discovery for us and there's discovery for you also.
Yes.
And as I said, it's a safe environment. People of like minds are together and we are sharing and building with each other.
Great. And let me again go back to the men's area, because I have been really fortunate to facilitate some of the program with men only. This is where, as a female, I sat back and listened. My role really was to encourage that conversation, in a safe space, and move them away from that conversation. Wasn't about sports or politics. It was all about themselves, what they're going through, and how they can support each other.
And how we set new goals for
ourselves. Oh yes, definitely.
How do we set new goals? Because we know that the goals that we worked towards in the last 20 years, we've achieved or almost achieved. But the goals going forth in that post-work era, and what's interesting too, Jen, a lot of the topics came from the members themselves.
Oh yes.
So our 50 plus tribe, very vibrant. It's a co-creation that's happening. That is really exciting.
So we have set up for you all 50 plus people out there different type of programs. You can come out and have fun, socialize. We do have the retreats, so our next topic would be on how you can come out and do on those weekend retreats. We have the small group forums. We have started, of course, podcast, so you can come on board and listen in and join us. So what you can do, you can visit, please, and you would see our website information on the screen. You can visit our website. You can give us a call for free consultation. You can go and visit all the videos. We do have our videos online also.
Our YouTube channel,
we have the YouTube channel. You can
join
go
the
and
conversation.
view all the photos from our past events. What we want you all to do, this is not a club, it's not a membership club. We call it a movement. It's a 50 plus movement for persons to come together and just live and be happy. Socialize. Some people, they are very afraid making new friends, So this is a time you're not in the workplace, or even those in the workplace, please come out.
And join us.
Join us on this program. We're going to be having several others. There's a whole series we are having. So we encourage you to always meet with us. Look out for when we would send out to say when next it will be our vlog. And you follow us on the website, you follow us on the Facebook page. We're looking forward to always chatting with you.
YouTube channel.
Yes, feedback has been great. I thank all those who have been coming on board and calling and encouraging us to continue what we are doing, Terri-Ann.
Excellent. And it's been a joy.
I am having fun. I am having fun. I feel so great when I get a call or someone meet me on the street and say, "Oh, you all have been doing great," and let us know when is the next event. So keep in touch. We do have also, and before we close, we do have our 12-month program.
Yes, and that's posted
on our website. So you can see each month what we're having. We welcome your comments, we welcome your suggestions, because we can always add new programs, new events. We want to please you.
Excellent. So until we have our next vlog,
yes,
great having you. Bye.